All right, guys, so I'm back. It is 9:29 a.m. Eastern Standard. We're looking for the market open. We have about 5 seconds left. If you're with me, just give me a hello in the chat box. I'd love to have a conversation about what we're doing here today. All right, so it's 9:30 and the market was pushing down. Let's see how that plays out. We have not entered any trades yet. Our conditions to enter have not been met yet. Remember, guys, this is automated trading. It's been done by an EA. It's not me. I'm not the one pulling the trigger. You guys won't see me clicking. As you can see, you can't even see the buy and sell over here. You see that? This is my mouse over here, and you can see that the EA has now entered a long trade. Okay? Let's see how this one plays out. And its volatility is coming in, and it's pushing up. Let's see if we get a lot more volatility to the upside. If it does not continue going up, it's not a big deal. If it pushes down, then it's going to close that buy and take a sell. What the EA does is it's designed to basically follow the price. It's designed to be liquid. So price pulled back. We'll see what's coming next, if it wants to go down or if it continues going up. It really does not matter to us. We're flowing with the price. We're liquid. So I encourage you guys to join me. Like and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that whenever I do my live streams, you guys will be notified. Also hit the like button, help out the YouTube algorithm. I'm doing this not so much for me, but I'm doing this more for you guys. That's why I'm showing you guys straightforward. I'm being as transparent as possible so you guys can see the power of this system. And as I said, you will go through some periods where there is a little drawdown. The drawdown on this system is an average of about, maybe, depends on how you set your risk. Right now, with the risk that I have set for $1,000, you're going to have a drawdown of approximately, let's say 13-15%, right? And that's realized drawdown. This is not floating drawdown. We're talking about realized drawdown of about 13 to 15% approximately. Could be less. Okay, it's dynamic drawdown. So this system is designed to trade automatically on its own. If you want to take profits earlier, you can just simply close out the trade and walk away with the profits that you do have. But I want you guys to understand that even if you don't try to close out profits, this system is very profitable without you having to touch it. Hands-free. 100% hands-free. It's designed to give you within 100 to 200% in a time span of approximately 3 to 4 months. As you guys already understand, price moves up and down, up and down, up and down. Price moves in waves, right? What does waves remind you of? Water, the ocean, right? So our job is to ride the waves. The EA is designed to trade volatility and momentum. So that's the two things that the EA really likes. When there is volatility and there is momentum. Right now, there isn't much volatility. We got a nice little burst twice, as you can see here. We got this nice little burst, we got this nice little burst, and then we got a deep pullback, right? So this could be a deep pullback to continue going up, or this could just be price just reversing, right? So let's see how it plays out. Right now, we don't have much volatility in the market. It's the 9:30 market open, and around that time, that's where we have the most volatility. But right now, it's kind of slow. It may pick up a little bit later. When I say a little bit later, it could be in a few minutes or so. It could pick up. Just like over here, you can see this is 8:30, and then it was a bit slow, and then it picked up. Let me just double check that was 8:30. Yes, so that was 8:30. So it was a little bit slow, and then it picked up. So we could have something similar going on, where it's a little bit slow, and then it picks up to the upside or downside, does not matter. The price can go wherever it likes. We will be right there with it. All right, so we got a deep pullback, and that buy trade was closed out. Now we're in a sell. So let's see how much we lost on that buy trade. We lost $11.43. Okay. Now I try to show you guys that our losses are relatively small compared to our wins. Okay. Let's see how this one plays out. It looks like volatility is coming in, but is it going to continue to the downside? Or is it going to reverse and go back to the upside? Those choppy days are the days that we don't really like, but we have more days with momentum and volatility than these choppy days. So it pays off. Okay, so it looks like we're progressing slowly, but we're going down. What was the drawdown again? Let's see. The drawdown was 11.43, and we're at around $10 now. So already making up for that loss. Let's see if price continues to the downside. What we want is for price to continue to the downside. Right now, that's what we want. But if it goes up aggressively, it does not matter. It will close out this sell trade and open a buy trade and follow that price to the upside. We're just 8 minutes into the session. With our EA, we don't get involved. We just allow it to do its thing. Just allow it to do its thing. It knows what it's doing. All right, we've already made up our losses. So the only time when we sustain losses is when the market's very, very choppy. And that's the time. When I say sustain losses, I mean like we have a day end where we have a drawdown. The market has to be extremely choppy for that one. Right now we're in profit. Price could just reverse and go back to the upside because we have not gotten to a level where price, a level where the EA could close out the trade. We have not gotten to that level yet. So if we do get to that level, we'll make a decent amount of profit, maybe 10%, 15%, 20%. Looks like we took out, oh, we have an equal low here. So if we come down, take out this pulse to the upside, we could actually see some more downside coming in. I'm commentating this simply because I want you guys to understand how the system works. You don't need to touch it. And I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to let you guys see it work on its own. So this is a live account, guys. It's not a joke. As you can see, it's a real server. 8 cap. I have it on my VPS. So just watch it work, guys. This is what I call money working for you. You got some funds, you put it to work in the safest way possible. And I've spent 6 years designing this EA. I refused to bring it to the public without it being at a level that I would say is perfect or near perfect. So in my view, this is perfection. I do have another system. It's not an auto trading system. It's an indicator. It's called the Liquidity Map. And for example, right here where the price came, this is one of my Liquidity Map zones. So that's why the price is reacting to that level, right? So I can incorporate these levels into my EA, but I'm trying my best not to limit the EA too much, right? I don't want to put too many things on it. So I'm still wrapping my brain around whether I should incorporate the liquidity map or not. I'm going to be doing another live stream. My day is filled with live streams. I have another live stream at 10 a.m. and that might go on for maybe 2 hours or so. And then maybe I'll come into the afternoon with another live stream on the liquidity map. That's the plan. So my day is going to be consumed with live streams. This is my channel. I've not really done much on this channel for a long time because my main focus was getting my EAs and my strategies to a level that I can bring it to the public, because I refuse to bring something that's not the best that I can make it. So I'm now looking to bring this to you guys because I am very confident that it is at the best it can be, at least for now, because It's a continuous work in progress. Always striving for perfection. If I can make it better, I will make it better. All right. So it's slowing down a bit. We have like 15 minutes left in the session. Let's see if it continues working its way down. So I'm now putting in some work on my YouTube channel just to try to make sure that I'm able to bring this to you guys. I do regret not working on my YouTube channel years ago, but I was busy, too busy. We're getting a pullback. We have enough time to have this pullback turn back to the downside. I'm not confident that it will reverse to the upside yet. I think this is just a pullback for more downside. Is that pullback going to be a deep one? Don't know. Do we have enough time that if the price pulls back and takes us out of this sell and we go into a long, do we have enough time to catch some profits off that? It all depends on the amount of volatility that comes into the market. Possibility, yes. Also possibility, we may not be able to, catch a lot of profit to the upside because the market's moving relatively slow. So it looks like this is just a pullback for more downside, which is perfect. By the time that the EA closes out the trade at approximately 10 a.m. Eastern Standard, there could still be a lot more down move left. But that is the time that the EA will stop trading, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. All right, so things are looking lovely. So guys, a drawdown that took us approximately 2 weeks to build could be recovered in 1 day. In some cases in one trade, right? So that's just to show you how powerful this system is. I'm not worried about drawdown with my system. I don't have a floating drawdown because we cut our losses quickly. That is one of the main rules of trading, is let your runners run and cut your losses quickly. That's just my alarm going off for my next live stream. And that next live stream is not on my channel. It's for a company that I do some mentorship for. So when I'm done with that, I'll be back with my liquidity map. It's going to be the first time that I show anyone the liquidity map. I'll be turning it into an indicator soon. We got 9 minutes left. Nine minutes left. Okay, so we have hit an area where we have a lot of support. That's why we're seeing that price bounce. I'll expect the price to continue coming down. At least a little bit more, and then it may stop, at least for a while. And I'm making these predictions based on my liquidity map. That is a system that I developed. All right, so we're consolidating. Yeah, we have hit that level on the liquidity map for sure. And that's why we see price kind of stall at that area. I would like to see price come in a little bit more into that liquidity map area. We got like 7 minutes left. All right, 6 minutes left. About 5 minutes left. So this is like one of those examples. If I applied the liquidity map to this software, it could have decided to close out trades at this level. However, this could just be a correction or a consolidation for price to continue coming down. And if we had more time, then there is a possibility price continues coming down, breaks through this level, and we miss out just simply because we closed out too early. Bouncing off this level a little bit aggressive. Got 3 minutes left. Got 2 minutes left. We have approximately 1 minute left. So 1 minute left for this session, guys. Just 1 minute left. If you're with me, just give me a hello. How are you guys doing today? For those of you who do not know me, my name is Leroy Phillips. Hello, hello everyone. We've got a few seconds left on this trading session. Remember guys, like the video, hit the subscribe button, help out the YouTube algorithm. Hit that notification bell so that you can see whenever I post my live streams. I'd like you guys to follow my journey. All right, guys. So the session is over. You guys see that the EA closed out the trade at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard, and auto trading is done for the day. We'll be back tomorrow with more auto trading. Okay? Thank you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Actually, I won't be with you tomorrow. I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye bye for now.